My first video on Xbox Craft, and today we're going to be making a custom play button. Now here's the things you're going to need. Well, welcome to my first video. I didn't even do an intro. Welcome to my first video, guys. This is my first video on Xbox Craft. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and comment if you like. Comment that you subscribe, and I'll be replying to your comments. And make sure you leave a like so that lets YouTube know that this video is not crappy. Okay, let's get into the video. Now, if you want to make a custom play button, paper play button, you're gonna need paper, of course, some foil. I would use foil, scissors, or anything to cut paper and other stuff. A pen or a pencil. I'm using a pen. A chapter book to trace out the play button shape. Not the play button shape, like the outline. And then you should get some Mod Podge to glue everything together because it's clear. So, now here's what you do. Why does my door keep opening randomly? Just lock it so it doesn't keep opening. That's weird. Okay, so first of all, get your paper, get your book, place it down on the book. Then get your pen or pencil, and then trace the book. Boop, boop. I'm not the best at tracing. Well, I'm really good at crafts. Okay. Eek. Got that bar, and then whoop, snoop. What? Okay. Mine is not the best. Now you're going to trace it. Then you're going to cut it out. You don't have to do it the best. I'm not going to. Okay. Okay, just keep cutting. Just keep cutting. There goes my foil. It's blown away. Do not blow away. Thank you. My fan's on so I don't get stressed. Because I get stressed while doing a lot of crafts. So when I don't get them right, I get really mad. So that's why I had the fan on so I'm cool, not hot and stressed. Okay. Okay. And then if there's pen marks, we'll just flip the paper around. Okay, keep on going. It's a lot of cutting. A lot of cutting. Okay. Yeah. Okay, last cut. So, wait, this one more. So, if there's pen on yours, like, you might not see it, but there is, then flip it over and it's good. Now that you got your outline, you don't need this. Bye. See ya. And if you have a frame you want to put it in, then get the glass, take the glass, and trace the paper on the glass. That's how I do mine. Let me just cut it a little straighter. It doesn't really look that good. Come on, go straighter. Straight. Be straight. I want you straight. Thank you. Oh, wait. This thing is crooked. A lot of crooked. This thing is very crooked. Being a DIY channel is hard. Now get your aluminum. You can flip it to any side. I think this side I like a lot. I don't really like the mirror side. I like this side. So you want to draw, you should like try to do the play button kind of thing logo, kind of the play button. Now don't do it yet, because you might not know what I mean. So right now, is my dog in here? Oh, there's my dog. Dog. Yay. Eek. Trying to trace it. Why did I say chase it? I don't know. This is hard. Why am I making my own music? This is great. Making crafts. It's great. Dude, this is so hard. Guys, make sure you leave a like. 1 like equals 1 pizza. 1 equals you guys liking my videos. There we go. Now it's time to cut it out. Eek. Not like this part. I do not like when I cut badly. Wait a second, what am I doing? I'm cutting this all wrong. No. Yeah. Get this. Eek. I don't like this. Me not liking this too well. Oh no. What's going on with this? Okay, wait a second. Oh, I'm doing so bad. This thing, I got stressed. Now I'm gonna cut this edge like kind of curved. So they're all kind of curved edges. I like crafts. I'm an artist. I've been doing crafts for the past 3 years, but not on YouTube. First YouTube craft I've done. No, on my other channel, Bibby. Go check it out. Subscribe to that channel. And subscribe to this channel. I showed you guys how to make a YouTube play button for 1 subscriber. Why did I say 1 subscriber? I should have said 4. Because the other channel has 4 subscribers, not 1. So bad. Ooh, this is satisfying. Just cutting. And my other channel, I have Minecraft videos and raps that I did. Yeah, make sure you go check those out. They're so embarrassing. I don't like it. Well, I mean, for a little kid doing raps, that's cool. I'm fine with it. Yeah. I'm doing this so badly. Why? Wait, let me just curve these edges. Now, wait. So close to being done. Now you should get something like this. Or this. And then I would suggest gluing it onto this like that. Now, we're not going to do it yet. But actually, don't throw these away yet. Keep these. If you still have the scraps good, then put kind of a play button logo. Okay. Might have some silence moments in these videos. Frustrating moments. So it should be like this. The camera's kind of backwards. Okay. So guys. It should be like that. You should have a play button looking like that. And now you're going to glue it on. with the Mod Podge. So use your extra scraps, or you can. I'm gonna use my book because I don't read this. Oh no, I got it on my carpet. No. Besides, it's okay. We'll come off. There we go. I just smudge it into my carpet. Dude, wait, is it all the way smeared? All across it? Yeah, it is. Now attach it. Now you don't have to wait for it to dry. Now that you got this attached, well, you got a play button. There's your play button. I was holding it upside down first. Then you wanna glue your play button onto the paper. Now, sorry if it's backwards. It's just that the camera's kind of messed up. So it's actually, I'm gonna flip it over so you guys can actually see it. So here's the play button. Now use your Mod Podge or glue and glue it to the paper. Yeah, I'm just gluing right now. Putting glue on the back of the foil. Or you could Mod Podge the foil to make it look a little cooler. Oh no, I got it on the front. No, I'm already gonna Mod Podge the front anyways. Why not? If you guys see whiteness, it's still not dry, but on the front. So just Mod Podge this whole thing. It's taking a long time. Let me just put this aside. Use some more Mod Podge. More Mod Podge. There we go. Ugh. Ew. It's weird. Okay. Oh, let's see. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool. Just, okay. So now I got this. And now we're going to attach it to the paper. Okay, I'm attaching it. It's great. Going great so far. I'm not messing up at all. It's good. Okay, let's just... And this is it. This is what you got. Now, guys, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. This is my first video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Leave a like. Let YouTube know this is not video's not crappy. And make sure you comment down if you subscribed. And I'll reply to your comments as fast as I can. Now, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.